In the great wide world, sounds are everywhere. There are all kinds of sounds in the world, and none of them is without meaning. Noisy cities, tranquil countryside, flowing water, forests, animals, and people. Sounds can come from everywhere. In Nujiang, I was first impressed by its mystery. Its mystery, its wildness, its natural environment all make it paradise. Nujiang came open to the world by a ropeway. Here, we have collected thousands of sounds of Nujiang to make them heard by all people around the world. It has taken us quite some time to travel all over Nujiang to collect a large number of sounds of nature and peoples, and sounds of happiness from people being lifted out of poverty. I hope the entire world can hear the sound of peace. And the sound of a happy and wonderful life in Nujiang. I believe it will be a visual and audio feast